Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add Ethereum to Coinbase Wallet. Now you have two options of adding Ethereum into your Coinbase Wallet. In the first method, what you can do is you can simply purchase Ethereum in it. For that, you need to tap on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and tap on buy. Over here you can change the network. By default it will be on base, so if you want to change it, then you just have to tap on it and you can select any of the networks of your choice. After that, you just have to make sure that in the buy Ethereum is selected. Now here you just have to select the provider, so you just have to tap on it and here you will be able to see the list of all of the providers. So whichever is giving you the best pricing, you just have to select that provider. After filling these details, you just have to press continue in the bottom and then you just have to press continue again. Now you will be redirected on the provider's official website. Like I have selected OnRamp, so currently it has redirected me on OnRamp's official website. Here you just have to provide your email address, your phone number and some of your personal details and conclude your payment. Once your payment is successful, you will receive your Ethereum in your Coinbase wallet, or basically you will be able to easily add it. Now in the second method, what you can do is you can simply receive Ethereum from any other wallet or exchanges that you have. So in order to receive it, you need to first tap on the home button, or you need to tap on your profile icon and here you need to tap on this copy button in the top. After that, you just have to copy the Ethereum address and open that exchange in which you have Ethereum. Then tap on the wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and select spot. Over here you just have to simply scroll down and search for Ethereum. Now here you need to tap on the withdrawal option and provide these details that you have copied from your Coinbase wallet, which was your Ethereum network as well as the Ethereum deposit address. Now enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to transfer and initiate the transaction. Once that transaction is completed, you will receive your Ethereum into your Coinbase wallet. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.